Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Quiz Studio Review. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Okay, this is your channel. So welcome to your channel TubeCore, and this is a Quiz Studio Review, and right now we are on the sales page, and then you have the demo of the product. And quite interestingly, this is going to be a very short review on my channel today, because it says Quiz Studio, do you want to skyrocket your business leads without spending tons on ads? A next-gen lead generation tech is coming your way that creates lead-generating video quizzes, polls, and surveys in just minutes and gets high qualified leads for any niche. Okay, Quiz Studio. And when I saw this product, I remembered that I have done a review before for the same kind of product, and then I went on to my playlist. I checked all the videos and I found that this Quiz Studio is nothing more than Quizify. Here you see Quizify review on October 29. So there was a software, I think it was launched on Warrior Plus earlier. So yes, on Warrior Plus on 29th of October 2021, there was this program called Quizify which was launched, and I did this Quizify review, and then I have left the links here, like the demo for Quizify and grab the Quizify copy here. So I have left all those links, and then you need to figure out, or you will see here right now, I will show you that this is the same software just with the new name. Okay, so whether you go and buy Quizify, whether you buy Quiz Studio, these are the same software just with the new name being launched again. Okay, it does not make any difference of whatsoever, not even a minute difference. So I'm not going to waste my energy, breath, because I already have created the review Quizify. So whether you watch Quizify review, whether you watch Quiz Studio review, I will have to talk the same things. So I have decided I will cut this crap short. And if you are interested in understanding about the Quiz Studio software, then go ahead and watch this Quizify review on my channel. What I will do to make you more comfortable, or make it less complicated for you, is that I will leave the link of this Quizify review right below this video. Okay, so below this video, Quiz Studio review which you're watching right now, if you click on show more, so below the description, okay, click on show more, and then you will find some links here, and within those links you will find this Quizify demo. Okay, so click on that Quizify demo link, that will take you to this video. Play this video, it is like more than 1 hour long. Okay, play this Quizify review, because this Quizify is the same thing as Quiz Studio. Okay, so why do I have to waste my time? Because I already invested 1 hour 21 minutes in this Quizify review, so I do not have to go ahead and make another same product review for 1 hour long, right? You have to value my time as well. Okay, but before I leave you, I will prove my point. Why am I saying this is the same software? Okay, I have to prove this, right? Just by me saying to you verbally, you should not believe me, right? So I will show you practically, I'll prove you, and then only you should believe me. Okay, so right now I'm going to show you this what is this? Quiz Studio. Okay, so this is a Quiz Studio demo video, and let's do one thing. Let's scroll down here and let's watch this Quizify demo. So I'm going to click on this link here, and this will open this demo which was given to me by Quizify people. Okay, it's a 6 minutes 46 minutes long demo video, right? Let me pause it right here. Oh, come on guys, what's happening? Let's try to refresh it. Things don't work as fast as me, right? Okay, so here you go. Now let's compare, right? So you check out this Quiz Studio. Let me maximize. Oh no, I can't maximize, otherwise I can't go back to the other video. Okay, right, so you see here, now here again, this looks all similar, but if you go further into the video, then these are those done for you quiz pages. Okay, and let me take you further here into the YouTube video for Quizify. You see here, come on, shut up. Okay, So you see here Quizify templates, and then these are Quiz Studio templates. Okay, you see here, so there might be hardly any difference, right? You see, these are those templates in Quizify, and then these are those templates in Quiz Studio, right? If you go further on, you have the calendar and start here option, and if you go further here in Quizify, I think you will have the same things, right? Maybe we are, there you go, there you go, there you go. Let's hold, just hold, where are we? You see here, so your quiz heading, and then in Quiz Studio, your quiz heading here. So it's the same bloody thing. Quiz Studio is nothing different. It's simply Quizify, okay? As you can see, when the name Quiz Studio, Quizify is the same bloody thing, right? So I mean, the software is still good, okay? So, you know, I'm only like paste. Am I paste? I don't know. I mean, I think I should not have to do the same thing over and over again, and that's why I'm saying, you know, in this Quiz Studio video, I will simply leave the link below my description, and that link will take you to this Quizify review. Watch this Quizify review, because this will explain you everything, how these software work, okay? And this is technically a funnel builder. So instead of a traditional funnel, you will be creating a funnel with the help of some quizzes, okay? Again, I will not go into the detail because I already have talked about everything for 1 hour 21 minutes. So click below the description, okay? Go in the description here, click on show more, and then click on that link which says watch Quizify demo here. Click on that link. Then that link will take you to this video. Watch this video till the end, and this video explains both softwares. I mean, they are same softwares anyway. So if you watch this Quizify review, that means you have seen the Quiz Studio as well as the Quizify, both the software, okay? So don't waste your time on Quiz Studio. Click on the link below and watch this Quizify review, right? And you will find this demo video link as well. You will find all the links you need. So I will also leave the link of this Quiz Studio demo video in the description below of my Quiz Studio video. Do not get confused. I'm taking too many names right now. I'm taking the name of Quizify, Quiz Studio, the description below, links. I am trying to make it simple. So maybe rewind my video, understand one sentence at a time, because yes, you will find all the necessary links under my video of Quiz Studio review, okay? And that Quiz Studio review will give you all those links from where you can go to this Quizify, okay? So do not get yourself confused, right? So what I will do is I will leave the link of Quizify review below. I will leave the link of Quiz Studio demo, and you might find some links to buy the software. However, if you have to buy the software, then go ahead and grab Quizify, okay? You will find the links here. It says grab Quizify here, so you'll find the link in the comment section when you watch the Quizify review, or you will find the links in the description here. It says grab Quizify here, okay? So you can always buy Quizify from this Quizify review video, okay? And let me tell you, for those people what we have, because this is nothing more than email marketing, okay? So they are going to give you some quiz funnel. Maybe I can show you how it will look like. Here you go. Let's see. Okay, this is it, right? So there it is. This is it. So this is the normal typical sales page, and people will land on this quiz funnel and they will click on start here. Once they click on start here, then they will be taken through these questionnaires, and once they fill up or answer these questionnaires, then they will be asked to put in their name and email. This is how you collect the email addresses, okay? So this is one way to engage and maybe grab the audience attention, and then this might help you with conversions, okay? But still you are doing email marketing, okay? You are only doing email marketing and you are collecting email addresses, and that means you will have to run so many ads, okay? So much money will be, so much money will be spent, because you will have to buy so many solo ads to grow your email list. Or if you are into your health and fitness niche, then in case of health and fitness, you will have to run some Google ads and Bing ads or Facebook ads, okay? So understand, if you want to get into email marketing and you want to buy this funnel and all that, then you will have to run so many solo ads. Otherwise, how will you get traffic, okay? So it will be only waste of time and money. So yes, email marketing is good only for those people who are ready to invest thousands of dollars to run the paid ads and buy solo ads. If you do not have thousands of dollars to invest, then stay away from email marketing, okay? So yes, If you know what are you getting into, then go ahead and buy Quiz Studio or buy Quizify. Both are the same. So grab Quizify from my link here if you know what you're doing, okay? If you are ready to do email marketing with these quiz funnels, go ahead, buy this in one-time cost. But if you do not want to spend thousands of dollars to run some solo ads or run some paid ads, in that case, if you still want to make money online, then check out the first two links in the description below my video, okay? So below the description, you will see the first link says make money with Traffic Jarvis, right? So this Traffic Jarvis will show you exactly how to make money on YouTube by getting your YouTube channel monetized, okay? Because I am making money on YouTube without selling anything, okay? So whether you buy anything from me or not, I'm making money without selling anything. So all these ads you might be watching in my videos, these ads are paying me the money, okay? So if you also want to make money online, especially on YouTube without selling anything, then you will have to get your YouTube channel monetized, okay? So you will have to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours first of all on your YouTube channel. And once you get them, then your YouTube channel will go into the review, and within a month it will be monetized, okay? So if you want to understand exactly how to start with YouTube, how to get it monetized, how to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, and let me mention this, I'm talking about getting those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in just 2 weeks, okay? Because if you try to do this on your own, you might have to spend 1 year, maybe more, to get those things. Otherwise, you may never get them and you will quit, okay? But you do not have to quit, because you have to utilize the power of YouTube to make money for long term. The only problem you will face is, how soon can you get your YouTube channel monetized? And that's the problem I can solve for you, okay? So if you click on Traffic Jarvis and then watch the video, let me show you maybe rather. If you click on this page here, it will take you to this website, and then there's a video which I want you to watch. So this is the video. So you will need to watch this video, because this YouTube course, this is a YouTube course. Somebody is at my door, right? So this is a YouTube course which is more than 13 hours long, right? So this video is not 13 hours long though. This is only half an hour long. So once you click on this link here, it will take you to this page. Watch this video till the end, okay? And then you will understand exactly how you need to make money on YouTube as a full-time source of income, okay? Because if you work on YouTube and if you use all the methods in Traffic Jarvis, then you can create a full-time income on YouTube for within next 2 years, okay? Why am I saying 2 years? Because if you work on this method, if you work on YouTube for next 2 to 3 years, then you will not have to worry about making money online for next 50 years, okay? That's how powerful the system is. And second link says here, make money with Kishacking, and then there's a link. So again, Kishacking is short for keep it simple stupid, okay? So click on this link as well, and it says best for beginners, okay? This link will take you to another another website, and there's a video again on that page. So watch that video as well, and that video will explain to you how to start as a beginner, because Kishacking talks about doing exactly what I am doing, okay? So I am creating these product reviews and uploading them on YouTube, and when I get some sales, then I make some commission by doing affiliate marketing, okay? So Kishacking is mainly about finding products and then doing this affiliate marketing, making some commissions. But if you ask me honestly, I am doing affiliate marketing maybe only 10%, okay? 95% of my revenue comes from YouTube ads or YouTube ad revenue. Then I have my one-to-one consultation, as you can see here. So it says book one-to-one consultation in $100, okay? So if you want to speak to me, by any chance you wish to speak to me one-to-one, I can talk to you on a Skype audio call, and I will charge you $100 for 1 hour, okay? This is another way I make money online, okay? So I make money with Traffic Jarvis because my YouTube channel is monetized. I make money with Kishacking because I do affiliate marketing and I create these product reviews. And I also provide my one-to-one consultation, so that's another source of income for me. And then I also charge for these courses, so that's the fourth source of income for me, okay? So I create money, or I make income on YouTube in multiple ways, at least 4 ways for me. But for you, you can have minimum 2 ways to make money online with YouTube. First is get your YouTube channel monetized within a month, because we can help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 2 weeks. And then within a month, your channel will be monetized. And second source of income is doing the affiliate marketing. Okay, create reviews and promote some products, and when people will buy from your links, you will get paid. Okay, so you can go for these minimum 2 sources of income, which is not bad in the beginning. Okay, you can make satisfactory income, right? Satisfactory does not mean that you will make 10,000 from next month, but yes, you may make $100 in the first month, then it's $200 in the second month, then $300 in the third month. This is how you will proceed, because here we are talking about making real money online. Okay, real money means that you will have to put in the work, then only the money will come. I'm not selling you some scam software here or some system, and I'm saying that okay, you go back to sleep and you will start making money online. Okay, there's no such thing that you go back to sleep and you make money while sleeping. There's no such thing. Okay, unless you grow your audience. Okay, so the day you have 10,000 subscribers on your YouTube, or maybe more or maybe less, then you upload one video every day, and then you go back to sleep, and then you make money. Okay, yes, you will make money while sleeping when the time comes, but till then you will have to grow your YouTube channel, you have to grow your email list, you have to keep increasing your blogs, whatever method you're doing. If you're doing blogging or email marketing or this YouTube, you will have to keep growing the number of audience, then only you can start seeing results in the long term. Okay, that is why I said that if you go for Traffic Jarvis, that means you should commit to yourself. Okay, you should commit to yourself for at least 2 years or 3 years, because after those 2 to 3 years you will have plenty of subscribers and you will be making enough money, and it's only the matter of keep working on the method, and by that time you will have backup, and with by that time you will have financial backup. Okay, and with that financial backup you can actually boost your YouTube channel, you can run some paid ads. Everything has been covered in Traffic Jarvis, how to get your channel viral and everything. So don't worry if you are interested, or not just interested. Okay, if you are dedicated, serious, committed and willing to work, then check out this Traffic Jarvis. And if you only want to understand how this thing works, how YouTube works, you're totally a newbie and you only want to just like test around everything, then you can check out Case Tracking. Personally, I would recommend Traffic Jarvis because I know it will give you instant results. Okay, and this case tracking depends on your hard work, because in case tracking you only make money when you get a sale. Okay, so let me tell you the difference. In case tracking you will be only making money when you will be getting a sale. Okay, but with Traffic Jarvis you will be making money every day. Okay, as many videos you will upload, the more money you will make, because with the Traffic Jarvis concept, you make money for all the videos you make after your YouTube channel gets monetized. Okay, so you will find more details on these pages. So click on Traffic Jarvis, click on this Case Tracking, and watch those videos on those pages, and that is how you will understand how to make real money online. Okay, because these software will keep coming and keep going. The softwares don't make money. Okay, so do one thing. Quiz Studio is nothing. Quiz Studio is simply Quizify. So now go ahead and click on show more below the description right now, and then you will find this Quizify review. So watch this Quizify review, and then from there you can decide if you need Quizify or if you need Quiz Studio or not. Otherwise you can simply check out the Traffic Jarvis and Case Tracking, because these two things will surely give you knowledge and surely help you to make money online. Okay, so thank you for watching, and do subscribe to my channel and like the video, press that bell notification, and I'll see you in my next video.